What's up YouTube? How's everybody doing today? This is Mr. Chubbs 1992 with Infidel Airsoft Team, and I have a high-end mystery box from Airsoft GI. Here we go. So, cut the size. So I am hoping for pretty much anything but the Masada because I've already got one, so I don't need another one of those. But if I do, it's not going to be the end of the world. I have gotten lucky on so far 4 out of 4 mystery boxes, so I am pretty content with that. The box did weigh in at 10 pounds. Money cut. So we shall see what we get. Here we go. What did I get? Can't see what I got. Okay, so I got the RK-47 wood by G&G Armament. Take this out. It's got a good amount of weight to it. It's not exactly what I wanted just because I'm not too crazy about AKs, but it's still pretty cool. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but so I will be selling this. Well, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, so let's see here. Okay, so wow, that's pretty heavy. It's got the wood on it and pretty cool. Yeah, that's got a good weight to it and really realistic feel and look and everything like that. So yeah, so I ended up getting the, well, it's actually pretty cool. So I got the RK-47 or AK-47 from G&G Armament. So yeah, look forward to the review. So this is Mr. Chubbs 1992 with Infidel Airsoft Team. I'll catch you guys later.